Yeah, beloved brothers and sisters, yes, wherever there is nature, wherever things are working according to natural harmony, things flourish, and that should be the way to approach well-being, welfare. There should be harmony as the basis. See, harmony means peace, and that should be fundamental. Once it is there, all other things fall in place. See, without it, we chase after things and they never really satisfy. Contentment is wealth, and we need to have it. You can't have contentment unless you have peace, and you can't have peace unless you are realizing your true identity. As you get closer to who you really are, then the peace comes. See, it is just something that happens automatically. See, so without the realizations, we will always be in tension. See, we will always be in anxiety. So here in the UK, yes, the atmosphere has some kind of harmony with nature, and it is something to be appreciated. See, and it is the basis for prosperity. It is a basis for all the things we look for in the material world. See, we go deeper and bring out that which is there, and it comes to give us all the other things. So when it is said, seek first the kingdom, yes, that is our source. Seek it, all the other things will work out. See, how to seek it, and that is why we are here. Thank you, brothers and sisters.